Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone.
Salam wa rahmatullah. Good morning.
Wa alaikum assalam. Good morning.
Hope you all will be fine, mashallah. So warmly welcome with another day. New element, number 5. And since we have completed IG1 starting from element 1 to 4, the first 4 elements, and I hope you had all the ideas. We started from the word why we required health and safety system in our workplaces, and then how we gonna implement and how the system look like. And most importantly, we discussed managing risk, the best kind of risk assessment, and how our PTW system and other kind of safe working system gonna be working, and to make sure zero injuries, zero accidents, or zero non-compliance to the environmental regulations even, and zero harm to the business itself. And the number 4 element, yesterday we discussed even after implementation, how we're gonna maintain and monitor and measure, so we can see in different intervals what is the performance of our safety system and value addition to our business, overall, especially how our absenteeism graph either is going down, our accident, our injuries kind of even during internal audits or external audits. So what is the performance? Either we are improving or we still have several improvements, opportunities for improvement. So we discuss a lot of the ways and the methods to go for this kind of management review, especially annually if the board members are also sitting into that, and what kind of data we need to present them, and try to prove that we are still improving, and if any gaps are there, generally we are highlighting. And most importantly, we created a topic, we call it leading and lagging indicators, the best kind of discussion to realize how the safety performance can be measured. And of course, we understood the importance of active and reactive monitoring and proactive and reactive approaches. And this IG1, the moment we'll get the exam kind of a scenario, that would, well, again, could be a real scene. Like yesterday, we discussed one scenario about forklift. I hope you remember that one. And the same kind of real scene would be mentioned in the scenario. And then they're gonna ask, like, you are the safety advisor of that company. So resolve all the tasks below or give answers against each question in line with the scenario. And as per your research, you are open to research, you are open to browse, find out informations, have some references from OSHA, from ILO, from HSC, gov.uk, or even your local legal standards, but make sure you give some authentic reference so nobody can even think that your answer is irrelevant, or it is not linked to the question, or the answer is not in line with the scenario. So that is the real challenge, and that is why I decided one day only for exam preparation, and we'll surely save that day, inshallah. The 10th day means only for exam preparation, how to understand that scenario. That means the case, the kind of incident in a company, and overall review of that company's health and safety system. Because within that scenario, they're going to highlight either company is performing in a good way in line with the safety requirements, or they have still several gaps, and you as a safety advisor, how are you going to suggest, and your answers must be pretty straightforward, connected to the as per the questions, and of course the connectivity must be with the scenario. So we'll discuss inshallah in detail on the 10th day, how to prepare for the exam.